Hello, my name is Rico Czernig. I am responsible for support and product management here at SSP in Spaichingen. If a further calibration becomes necessary, you can do this with the help of our HOLDX Manager. For a recalibration, the HOLDX should be connected according to our manual. After that, you can start the HOLDX Manager. After starting the HOLDX Manager, you click Bluetooth scan. You can identify your HOLDX by its serial number. Here we have a serial number 319, and then you double click. In the HOLDX Manager, you click Magnet and Magnetic Force. On the right side you find Magnet Calibration, click on it, and then you have to type in your password. The standard password is 4x0. After clicking OK, your HOLDX will start the calibration. You can see it on the blue flashing LED. As the flashing stops and the green LED turns on, the HOLDX is ready for use. For more information, go to our HOLDX Manager or visit our website.